Have you ever stood in front of the Statue of Liberty? It's so tall that you may feel like an ant. Now, forget about it. It's so tiny compared to other giant statues existing today. These statues are twice the size of skyscrapers, and the craziest part is that the tallest isn't even finished yet. So, let's discover the top 10 tallest statues on Earth. Number 10. The Hokkaido Kannon, Japan. Our journey starts in Japan, where this statue of the goddess Kannon is 88 meters high. When you go inside, it just feels like a building with elevators and floors where visitors can pray. The funniest part is that it was completed in 1989, and for 2 years it held the title of the tallest statue in the world, before being surpassed by another statue. Today, it barely makes the top 10. Number 9. The Grand Buddha at Lingshan, China. The Grand Buddha at Lingshan is one of the greatest in China. It's also 88 meters tall, which is almost the height of a 30-story building. The crazy thing is that it's part of the Chinese vision to create 5 great Buddha in the 5 different orientations of China. Crazy, right? Well, this one is just the beginning. The next one is even taller and crazier. Number 8. The Great Buddha of Thailand. This statue is over 93 meters high. It was built to commemorate the King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand and was funded entirely by the donations of the Buddhist populations. After 18 years of construction, the statue was finally completed on the king's 81st birthday. This is magic. It shows the respect that people have for their king. Number 7. Gushan Guanyin, China. This is another religious and cultural statue. It stands 99 meters tall and has 1,000 hands carved in detail. In fact, it represents an 11-headed and 1,000-armed Guanyin, which is a strong legendary figure of compassion and kindness. So the 1,000 arms symbolize its capacity to help all human beings. This is beautiful, but the next one is even more. Number 6. Sendai Daikonon, Japan. Now, let's go back to Japan. This is another statue of the goddess Kannon, with 100 meters. It was built to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Sendai's designation as a city. So, the 100 meters was intentional. Each meter represents each year of existence of the beautiful city. It's huge, but not even the tallest in Japan. Number 5. Lakeyun Sekya Buddha, Myanmar, 115 meters. This statue is one of the greatest achievements of Myanmar. It's a Buddha statue of 115 meters, and the craziest part about it is that inside the statue, there are 31 floors. Each floor is decorated by murals with scenes from the life of the Buddha and teachings. Number 4. Ushiku Daibutsu, Japan. This statue is the tallest one in Japan, at 120 meters high. It's so massive that the Statue of Liberty could fit inside its body. It even holds the Guinness World Record as the tallest bronze Buddha statue in the world, inspiring jealousy around the Western world. Number 3. Spring Temple Buddha, China. The Spring Temple is the tallest statue in China. It's 128 meters tall and is even taller than the Statue of Liberty and the Statue of David, stacked on top of each other. It's so massive that it required 1,100 pieces of copper. This is the second tallest statue in the world. But look at the top 2. You will be surprised. Number 2. Statue of Unity, India. Looks like India doesn't joke. Its first appearance in the list is in the top 2. The Statue of Unity represents the tallest existing statue the world has ever witnessed. It's called the Indian's Iron Man. At 182 meters, it's literally twice the size of the Statue of Liberty. It cost over $400 million, and right now, it holds the title of the tallest existing statue. However, it may not hold the crown forever. Number 1. Statue of Ram, India. India is trying to beat its own record. The statue of Ram is still under construction and planned to be completed in September 2025. But what shocks the world is its height. It will be over 210 meters. This is far taller than the Statue of Unity. It definitely looks like when India builds a statue, it's to break a record. Maybe it's because of the strong spirituality of Indian populations. After looking at this list, there is something I don't understand. Why isn't there any Western statue in this list? Aren't they interested in this competition? But before Americans get mad, I wanted to specify that this list is based on the height of the statue itself, not the pedestal. That's why the Statue of Liberty is not part of it.